Okay, question 2 from Practice Provincial B. Graph below models of bicyclist distance from a bike shop over time. Calculate change of speed of the bike from segment P to segment Q. Okay, a couple things to remember here. We learned this in class, that speed is just a rate. In this case, a rate of change of distance given some time. We also learned that rate is the physical meaning of what the slope of a graph is. So, this question is asking us for the rate of change of speed, or calculate the change of speed, which is equal to a rate, which is equal to a slope. So we want to calculate the change of slope in actuality. That requires us to calculate two slopes, one for P and one for Q. Now, to calculate the slope is just rise over run. We can do this for both P and for both Q. Now, the rise for P, we can just count it. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spots up. But our scale is not 1 to 1. Our scale here is every 2 goes up by 10. So this actually has a rise of 0 to 40. This has a rise of 40. Our run goes from 0. It looks like it's going 4, but it's actually not. It's only going 2. So we have a run of 2. This tells us that slope P has, or line P, the slope of P is 40 divided by 2, or 20. And because it's an actual physical value, this will be kilometers per hour, because the rise has units of kilometers, and the run has units of hours. So 20 kilometers per hour. Now, we can do the same thing for Q. So for Q, the rise for line Q, well, line Q only goes up from here, goes up to here. So it's going from 40 up to 55. So total rise from 40 to 55, rise is only 15. The run goes from 2 all the way out to 5. So from 2 all the way to 5, that's only a run of 3. So, for slope Q, Q has a slope of 5. And because rise has units of kilometers, and run has units of hours, has a slope of 5 kilometers per hour. So for number 2, the change, remember we're looking, this is what the question is asking us, change in the speed. We're going from 20 kilometers per hour down to 5 kilometers per hour. So that's a total change of, well, probably do this math in your head, but I'll write it down here. 20 minus 5, total change 15 kilometers per hour. But since we're going from a high number to a low number, this would be a decrease, which is A. And if we check our answer book, 2A. And we're done.